Hey friends, so I had a couple of wooden posts break, and there's a lot of concrete poured in here. I didn't want to have to dig it all out, so I thought I was going to have to drill out all the wood and everything, the post, but apparently you can just pound these metal posts right down in there, and so that's what I'm going to do. So replacing wooden posts with metal ones once they rot, just pound this in there, and then I'm going to make sure it's super straight, get it all real nice and straight, and then fill that up with concrete. And we're going to call it good, guys. So these are galvanized 16 gauge poles. They should last pretty much forever. And yeah, I thought I'd share because we have a lot of my fence is all wooden posts originally, and as they've been breaking, I've just been replacing them with the metal ones, and they work really good. Super easy to do. That's an 8-foot post, put it about 2 feet into the ground, and no worries. So I'm just gonna mix this up with some concrete and pour it in the hole there and let it set, and we'll be good to go. Put my gate up. All right, I hope this helps, guys. Previously I thought I had to just drill out all that wood and junk, but with a little post hole pounder, just pound it right down there into the wood and call it good with a little bit of concrete on top. So alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.